Hi, Jacqueline Coates here, and I'm here to make a wonderful offer to some of my previous bloomers who've worked with me before to come and learn to paint the oils, the blooms oils in France with me in this gorgeous place, my happy place, which is in La Forêt du Temple. I mean, I'm pretty happy everywhere, but this is particularly gorgeous. And we're going to paint in my studio, and we've got 8 days together and 9 nights staying in my gorgeous villas. And we're also going to work with the beautiful Chardin oils, which is a French oil of loads of pre-mixed colors. Now there's a certain way to work with these, it's quite different, and I have worked with them, and I've got loads of tips for everybody to work out how to do those. We're also going to work with my trusty basic set, so you can also know how to do that as well. And then after 6 days of painting, we're going to allow those paintings to dry, and then we're going to work with Bloom's monoprinting. I'm going to show you how to do monoprinting. So you're going to have a set of works on paper as well as your set of paintings that you're going to do from the oils. Now, wonderful thing about oils is that we're going to be working wet on wet. So this hasn't been finessed yet, but you can see that there's a lot of detail in it because I've been able to constantly add into it. The paint stays open for a long time, and I'm going to show you all my tricks of blending. It's hydrangea season here in late August, and the colors are sublime. Every color of turquoise blue, lilac, mauve, deep cobalts, ultramarines, softly blushing lilac, cream colors. Everything you can think of, it's here. And you'll get loads of stunning references. There'll be clouds of roses still. We'll be bringing roses down from Paris for some florography as well. And we're basically going to be showing you how to work with getting all these magnificent colors onto the one petal, all the texture, and to refine your work to take it to a whole new level. Now, this offer is open to you if you've been on Blooms France, if you've done Paint Blooms USA, if you have worked with me in the MMFA program, past or present. You know, that's who I want to apply for it, because at this level, you know, we're not starting from scratch. I'm helping you to iron out any painting bugs, showing you the ease of oils, and showing you how to take your work to a whole nother level. So it's really exciting for me too, and for everybody else, because you're going to be hanging out with like-minded others and just having a wonderful time. This one I've done from life. These ones are blooms, and yeah, so we actually work with the size that's super portable. It's like this, but you can also put 2 paintings together, as we have down here. And you can do a bigger piece, and you can pack them. We've got great packing materials. They go over your shoulder with a strap, and they're all bubble wrapped, and they just go in the cargo with your suitcase, just like this. But they'll be packed. They're super safe. We've had great success doing it this way. And if you want to go bigger, you can, and you just arrange that with me beforehand. If you want a bigger canvas, but you've just got to be prepared to do the work to get it out of La Forêt and back home. And you don't want to probably, you know, knock people out on the train. So it is possible to go bigger, but it is really handy, and I've got all that prepared for you. So if you're keen, the brilliant thing about this offer is I've still got my chef, my cook, my chauffeur. We do a Chateau de Boussac visit, and we go to the Chart markets, and you can have the opportunity to buy beautiful linen and things like that, and visit the Bracon, all the lovely vintage gear. But I'm actually, because I'm wanting to work at a high level and produce some beautiful work, and it's only 2 months away, I'm giving you a $1,700 discount. This isn't going to happen again. I've got one narrow window where we can do this. So if you want to join me, do what you have to do. Sell the kids, clean out your house and have a big sale, sell some paintings, but get yourself here, because it's a wonderful opportunity. And we're going to learn so much, and we're going to have a lot of fun hangout time, on plein air dinners in the garden, and lovely walks and everything. So wake up to the sound of the birds through your beautiful French shutters, and I'll see you here. À bientôt. Look at my offer.